Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn about Haji Shariatullah. Haji Shariatullah was also a religious reformer like Shah Waliullah. In last lessons we learned about the services of Shah Waliullah. And we learned that Shah Waliullah was born in Delhi and he influenced the Muslim community around Delhi or around the northern part of the India. But Haji Shariatullah, he was born in East Bengal, now called Bangladesh, and he played a very important and decisive role in restoring the Muslims' confidence and morale to cope up with the miserable conditions in which Muslims were living at that time. Haji Shariatullah was born in 1781 in Faridpur district of East Bengal. His father was a farmer and his family was not very well off. In 1799, he traveled to Arabia to perform Hajj and he stayed there for a long period of time, almost for 20 years, and he became greatly influenced by the ideas and the beliefs of Sheikh Abdul Wahab. And Sheikh Abdul Wahab was also a religious reformer of Arabia at that time. He also started a movement to reform the Islam in Arabia at that time. When Haji Shariatullah returned to East Bengal, um, and he found the Muslim society very depressed, very miserable, and economically oppressed by the landlords, Hindu landlords, and the British officers of that time. As we know that Bengal was the first province which became the part of the British Empire. And the British actually established their government first in Bengal, and from Bengal they spread to rest of the India. Until the 1750s, Muslims were the ruling classes of Bengal. But during 1750s, situation turned into the favor of British East India Company, and they started to rule the areas of Bengal. In 1764, after the Battle of Buxar, they took the complete control of Bengal from Muslims. And in a new government under British, Muslim had no role to play. They were simply reduced to the abject poverty. Muslims who were the part of the royal families of Bengal found themselves in a very miserable condition and in the time of East India Company's rule. They were forced to work for the Hindu landlords as well as under the British officers. Once Haji Shariatullah returned to Bengal, he started his reform movement in these circumstances, and it helped the Muslims to restore their confidence and their morale, and it united them and empowered them to change their economic circumstances. Haji Shariatullah died in 1840, but his work was carried out by his son Mohsinuddin later. And these conditions or these feelings which were ignited by the services of Haji Shariatullah actually empowered them to go for a separate homeland, and which later